sir, after much thought, I have decided to pursue CSE from a tier 3 college. I am excited but also a bit uncertain about the path ahead. Well, Bobby, let's draw that path together. We are going to create a 4-year plan to help you make the most of your college journey. Okay, sir, let's do it. So your first year is all about building a strong foundation. Understand the basics of computer science, develop your coding skills, and get familiar with the key programming languages like C++, Java, Python. Make coding a daily habit and don't hesitate to seek for help whenever you need it. What about the second year? In your second year, start participating in coding competitions and hackathons. Join tech communities and kickstart your own projects. This also is the time to begin looking for internships to gain industry experience and discover what area of computer science you are most passionate about. Okay, got it, sir. But what should I do in the third year? Third year is all about building your portfolio and personal brand. Participate in coding contests, contribute to open source projects, and start creating a strong online presence through platforms like LinkedIn. These activities will not only enhance your coding skills but also your resume. This is also the year you will have your on-campus placements, so start preparing for interviews. Give as many mock interviews as possible. And finally, sir, what about fourth year? In your final year, it's time to go for off-campus placements. Continue refining your technical skills and start networking. Reach out to recruiters on LinkedIn, connect with industry professionals. This will open doors down the line and help you get your dream job. Thank you, sir. I feel a lot more prepared now. If you are in a similar position as Bobby and want a detailed roadmap, comment CFA below and we will send a detailed document over to your DM.